a new theme song for BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO. And take it away. Welcome to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO. I said, welcome to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO. Neiman Wyndham, G-A-I-N, Omanungu.
Yeah, boss, I've heard of that before. A lot of these podcasts, they'll just start right in the middle of a conversation, and then they'll do the intro after that. Yeah, okay, well, if you think that's right. All right, let's just well, I think that's our cold open, sir. Okay, then you just want to cue the music and we'll get started. All right, cueing the music in 3, 2. BOOZHOO Nij Anishinaabe Doog. And welcome back to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Nana BOOZHOO, and today our Ojibwe phrase of the day, Neiman Wyndham, G-A-I-N, Omanungum. Neiman Wyndham, I'm happy, Neiman Wyndham. G-A-I-N, to be. Neiman Wyndham, G-A-I-N, to be. I'm happy to be. Oma, here. I'm happy to be here. Nungum, today. Neiman Wyndham, G-A-I-N, Oma, Nungum. I'm happy to be here today. And I am happy to be here today because we have a very special BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO podcast. So that was the Ojibwe language part. Now we're going to go to headline news with Wabooz. Take it away, Wabooz. What's in the headlines? Thank you very much, Nana BOOZHOO. Wabooz Nindigenakas. And these are today's headline news. This comes from the headline news of the Bemidji Pioneer. Today, the Paul Bunyan statue and the big Indian in front of Morels came to life and started to wreak havoc in downtown Bemidji. The people of Bemidji are, running in panic and horror, but had to, kind of appreciate how the natives and the white people are finally working together. Okay, back to you, Nana BOOZHOO. Okay, thank you very much, sir, Wabooz. Let's go over to Mamengwa with today's weather. How's the weather today, Mamengwa?
Oh, thank you very much, Nana BOOZHOO. Today was a good day. Mino Gijagat. Good day. It was really a nice day. I went for a walk and then I flew around and there were no clouds in the sky. Okay, back to you, Nana BOOZHOO.
Thank you very much there, my dear. And then we have, we got sports with Makwa. Hey, Makwa, tell us about sports. Thank you very much, Nana BOOZHOO. And Makwa Nindigenakas. And these are today's sports. Oh, it was a very good day in sports, I tells ya. The people came out to watch their teams, and it was a real nail biter. People were sitting on the edge of their seats. Oh, I tells ya, it was a good day for sports. All right, back to you, boss. Okay, there you go, the sports, the headline news and sports. And are we forgetting anybody? Oh, begging your pardon, sir. Oh, that's right, Gaj against. Now, what do you want to do today, Gaj against? Well, I could do a movie review. Yeah, okay. So today's movie review with Gaj against. Take it away, Gaj against. Hello, love. Hello, mate. For today's movie review, I'm going to talk about, well, I'll be honest with you, I haven't seen many films lately. And that was today's movie review. Back to you. Okay there, Gaj against. You know, your accent was kind of falling apart there. But that's okay, who cares? All right, well, that's all we have for today. And I want to thank everyone for being here. And you've been watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Gigawabamin Menawa. Ho! All right, well, I guess that's good enough, eh?
Welcome to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO. I said, welcome to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO. Neiman Wayndum J-A-I-on Omango. Neiman Wayndum J-A-I-on Omango. Neiman Wayndum